Okay, I need to make this relatively quick because I do need to purge the tanks today. Well, purge one of them while I wait for the other to distill, so that's great. But yes, this is the batch 1.1 of our Buttercrunch and Romaine lettuce series, day number 14. So we are on our purge day. That probably sounds bad out of context. I apologize. Whatever. Important stuff. We got the pH meter yesterday, so from this point on, we will have pH meter, and I've decided that every 2 weeks that we're actually actively using it, we're going to calibrate the thing, so we should have pretty dang accurate measurements. Well, that's kind of funny. Look at that. Sorry. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, starting off, quite a bit of green. We're getting some green here too. You probably just heard my phone buzz. That's because it's at 15%. That's awesome. All right, CO2 ppm is running at 675. Temperature of 26 degrees Celsius and 52% humidity. Alright, let's open it up and check it out. Alrighty, left tank's starting to get that signature lettuce look, which we really like, and this is the Buttercrunch. And then the right tank, we are getting some growth. Those roots are extending down, but not as quickly as I'd like. And the whole tank isn't as quick as I'd like, as you can see. As far as over here goes, though, we have some really nice roots, so that's great. And then below tank is just infested with roots. Or populated, I should say. That's got a better connotation. Alright, let's check our pH, ppm, and EC for today. Alrighty, looks like we are sitting at 6.61. So that's great. Let's check ppm and EC. Alrighty, ppm is at a slight decrease from yesterday. 945, EC of 1890. And temperature of 25.6. Let's check our left tank. Alrighty, pH is running at 6.97. Let's check out our ppm and EC. Alrighty, left tank ppm is running at 1155, EC of 2310, and temperature of 24.8. So a little colder over here, and that's probably explained by the leaves covering. Anyway, let's check out our graphs for today. Alrighty, kind of some interesting trends. Humidity's down a little because temperature's up. CO2 ppm's up because I've been in here more. And then the pH is up on both tanks because pH up was administered. And then the EC and ppm on the right tank are down, just decreasing. And the left tank, they're increasing, which is kind of interesting. Which means the plants either absorb some water or they are adding stuff to it, which is kind of an interesting thought. But yeah. That's kind of our graphs for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Tune in for tomorrow's update.